March is National Nutrition Month, and there's no better way to increase your health and energy than to learn more about the food you eat. Annessa Chumbley is a nationally recognized dietitian. She joins us to share 3 easy tips we can all implement to jumpstart our nutrition today.
Hi, Laura. Hey, food nourishes life's moments, so I'm thrilled to bring you my top 3 tips that go beyond the table. Tip number 1, start early. Studies show that early exposure to flavors can make our little ones much less picky as they grow. And that flavor window begins around 4 months and then slowly closes around 18 months. So my recommendation, Serenity Kids. They just launched a new line of World Explorer pouches. These are like a little culinary experience that has balanced macronutrients and deliciously bold flavors. The dietitian in me loves that each pouch has 5 grams of both protein and healthy fat. Mouth-watering recipes from around the world will encourage your little one to expand exploration and their palate during that flavor window. And I'm happy to say they've received the Clean Label Project Purity and Pesticide Free Award. Tip number 2, meal prep. We have a sweet potato staple of roasting them on Sundays and then prepping them for effortless meals throughout the week. Bako Sweet is my go-to because their sweet potatoes are the most delicious and convenient. They're consistently bright orange, packed with vitamin A and high in fiber. Sustainably grown in nutrient-dense soil, so they're bursting with flavor. So meal prep sweet potato jars with a variety of flavors, or make game day apps by loading them with jalapenos and cheese for that perfect bite of sweet and heat. Any way you fix them, Bako sweet potatoes are a superfood meant to be enjoyed every day. Tip number 3, sweeten naturally. So the best kind of sweet treats come from nature, and you can count on Natural Delights medjool dates because they're plump, chewy, and the perfect superfood picked straight off the tree at the peak of ripeness. They're a natural sweet treat that's high in fiber. And dates are easy to cook with whenever you want that perfect kiss of sweetness. But this spring, turn them into these adorable chocolate cream eggs just by filling them with the cashew butter. You'll have a snacktivity for the littles and a delicious high protein and high fiber spring treat thanks to Natural Delights.
Nutrition has never looked so good and easy. Find more nutrition tips and fun recipes by following Annessa on social at Annessa Chumbley RD. We'll see you next time.